YouTube? Today I got my flat face fingerboards package from Andover, Massachusetts. I'm not going to tell you what I ordered, but yeah, let's just get into it. First off, we have FBS Extra Smooth Tape, 5 sheets of uncut, and it feels amazing. Next we have some washers and heavy cups. Whoa, I feel a lot of stickers. I asked Mike for a lot of stickers. Fingerboarding prohibited. I always wanted that sticker. Whoops. I always wanted that sticker. Fingerboard store from FBS. It's like the awesomest sticker ever. Little flat face. Vinyl. Another vinyl. Flat face graffiti sticker. And a flat face. Just a new flat face. And that is it. As you guys can see. Comment and subscribe. Peace.